everybody, I have got your 3-day sale information for Thursday, November 6th through Saturday, November 8th. So during these 3 days, we will have exclusive savings on food and other things in the store. So if you are interested in the great deals ahead, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set that bell to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. Also, if you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, maybe a comment, and you can also hype the video now. So thank y'all so very much. Alright y'all, so this 3-day sale starts Thursday, November 6th, and it runs through Saturday, November 8th. But we may get early activation after 7 p.m. on Wednesday, November 5th. Now, we won't know until the registers flip over, and sometimes in the app you can see the new week's deals. So that kind of clues you in. But it doesn't always work out at the register, so sometimes early activation is great, sometimes it's not. It just depends on if it works out. Alright y'all, so for 3 days only, we will get 50% off outdoor Christmas decor. Now this does exclude lights, as seen on TV, floral, and garland. I always suggest scanning to confirm that it comes up at the right price. We have got buy one, get one half off our Harvest party plates or napkins. And these are going to be your harvest items like your Thanksgiving kind of plates, that kind of stuff. Just make sure you scan and confirm that you see the buy one, get one half off offer underneath the item. We've got buy one, get one free on our Planters dry roasted salted peanuts. They are 16 ounces and they're regularly $4 each. So we are getting them 2 for $4. We've got buy one, get one half off dolls. Now, this isn't going to be all your dolls, so you're going to need to scan for sure. It is showing this Baby Alive doll, so that means maybe some of these like licensed dolls will be included. You're just going to probably need to scan because you'll want to see that buy one, get one half off offer underneath the price of the item. We've got buy one, get one free on our Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. They are regularly around $1.35 through $1.50 each. We've got 20% off of Lego, and these are the ones priced between $9 and $20. It does exclude the Lego minifigures and whatever the F-25 recruitment bags are. I don't know what the heck that means. We've got 5 for $5 on our 2-liter bottles of 7-Up, RC Cola, or Sunkist. You do need to buy 5 to get them for $1 each. And we've got 3 for $6 on our Skittles, Starburst, or Life Savers gummies. These are in those little peg bags. Alright y'all, we have got 3 for $5 on our Hormel chili or tamales in a can. Or you could get the smoked ham or original pepperoni. We have also got a deal on our Campbell's Kitchen Classics soups. They are 5 for $5. Now you do have to buy 5 to get them at $1 each. We've also got a deal on our Devour entrees. They are the 4-ounce entrees, and we can get them 2 for $4, and you do need to buy 2 to get them at $2 each. We have also got a deal on our Clover Valley 6 to 10 count breakfast bars. We can pick those up 2 for $4. We've got buy 2, get 1 free on our $1 bags of Bugles. And we've got a 2 for $15 sale on our Quilted Northern 8-count bath tissue. We have got that 2 for $8 sale on our Clover Valley condensed soups, which means we can get the chicken noodle soup, the chicken and rice, we can get cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, all 2 for $1. You do have to buy 2 to get them at this price. We've also got 2 for $2 on our Clover Valley pumpkin, and this is the 15-ounce cans, but you do have to buy 2 to get them for $1 each. We've got instant savings of $3 on Comfort Bay bed rest or body pillows. Now you're going to look for that brown dot, and you're going to want to scan. Anything that is brown dot that is like a licensed item, like the Harry Potter pillows, stuff like that, those are not going to be included. We've got instant savings of $2 on our red True Living totes. Now this is on the 18-gallon tote and the 30-gallon totes. They start at $9.50 and $16.95 is the price for the 30-gallon. So you'll just save $2 off the top at checkout. We've also got instant savings of 50 cents on the Alani energy drinks. We have got $6 Ocean Wave ceiling projectors. Now, I have not seen these in my stores, but you might want to keep your eyes peeled for them. I really don't even know what to look for at this point. I am going to head out and try a different store to see if I can find them in stock. We've also got $8 noise canceling headphones. I believe these are also Bluetooth. I cannot pronounce the brand name, and I can't find them at my store right now. So, like I said before, I'm going to go out and try to check some other stores to see if I can get an in-store image for y'all. Alright, y'all, we have also got that Craig portable Bluetooth speaker that lights up on sale for $10. And we can pick up our Mr. Clean wide angle broom with dustpan or the twist mop for $9. So I went ahead and broke this down for y'all so you can just screenshot this. The food deals are right here. We've got the buy one get one free Planters peanuts, essentially getting them 2 for $4. We've got the 5 for $5 2-liter bottles of Sunkist 7-Up and RC Cola. We've got our 3 for $6 Skittles, Starburst, and Life Savers gummies, and our 3 for $5 Hormel chili tamales or the pepperonis. Now, we have also got 5 for $5 Campbell's Kitchen Classic soups, 2 for $4 Devour entrees, 2 for $4 Clover Valley breakfast bars, 2 for $1 Clover Valley condensed soups. This includes our chicken noodle, cream of chicken, and cream of mushroom. And we've got 2 for $2 Clover Valley canned pumpkin. We've also got buy 2, get 1 free bugles in the $1 bags. And I just broke the rest of the deals down here. We've got that buy 1, get 1 half off Harvest Party plates and napkins. Buy 1, get 1 half off dolls like the Baby Alive. Buy 1, get 1 free Hot Wheels and Matchbox singles. We've got that half off outdoor Christmas decor and 20% off Lego. We've got that 2 for $15 Quilted Northern 8 mega rolls, our $9 Mr. Clean angle broom or mop, and our instant savings items. Alright, y'all, that is it for this upcoming 3-day sale. I sure hope that you found this helpful. I do have a 5 off 25 coming out with all kinds of savings on these 3-day sale items, and we can get stuff for dirt cheap. So be on the lookout for that. Alright, y'all, thanks so very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!